So yeah, I finally got the wheels and the bogies trucks fixed on these two Russian freight cars that I picked up very cheaply recently. And this one, as far as I can ascertain, is a genuine Russian model. And I don't know anything about the prototype or the company who made it. There's no names on it. Whether it was sold on a train set in Russia or who made it, whatever. It's got the Russian markings on it. It's definitely not from Western Europe, so we'll count that as a legitimate model. I put two ancient Varney trucks on it to replace the broken trucks that came with it and fitted two European style couplers on either end using dipole NEM swivel pockets so it turns on corners. The other mystery, this one here, the reefer car, it genuinely does seem to be a copy of an American Varney or Lifelike. I think they were the same company anyway eventually. Old American style reefer. It's identical, so it was definitely built that way. Under the bottom I looked for the name of the company and it was scratched out, which suggests to me that it might be a Russian copy, a Russian bootleg from the Soviet days that was quickly made for a train set. Classic Cold War technology with the Cyrillic lettering on it. I'm not going to change it. I'm going to keep it as it is. I quite like it, even though it's not prototypical or anything like that. It's like the way Irish modelers hang on to their GUF made in Ireland models. They're not particularly appropriate, but they're part of this country, my country's modelling history. And this, for all its faults, are part of Russian modelling history. I do not have a locomotive to pull this, so I'm using this lovely old Rivarossi American logging loco, which I got for a bargain years ago and it was broken. I fixed it up and it's a lovely running model as well as a lovely looking model. So because it's a bit different than all the other stock and steam trains I have, I just think it might be appropriate to run with these two Russian wagons. Let's enjoy the two new Russian visitors to the layout as this delightful Rivarossi logging engine takes them around the layout. Until next time.